Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today is Thursday, June 16th, and let me just show you what happened. Yesterday, we caught our little sell right here, caught ourselves from this area after price had rejected this one up here, right? So that happened. But one thing I noticed was price got into the 78.6 buy IOC. Price broke through here. When price got up here, we got a big rejection, another big rejection. Then it looked like it started to climb, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Broke structure right here. And then price fell off the face. This is a 400 pip drop. So this is the IOC R2S area that we used on Tuesday, to take the sell from, and you could see price had more rejections here after it broke up on top, kind of used it as support, and then it finally broke through last night through London session. So right now it's kind of pushing down, and let's just draw it out for what it is. I don't know if I'm going to trade today completely, just because we've had a great week and it's kind of not a lot of reason to trade right now. So not all the way there, but we'll see. Yeah, you could see I would probably wait for price to get up to this level up here, this 61.8 at least. And I just don't think it will make it up to this 61.8. Just my opinion. Like both of these areas right here, both clean. So this could work in our favor. So I think I would wait for price to get up to this level. Um, just because there's these IMG gaps right here. Yeah, it would have to be something like this. But I definitely think it could. Let's see if so. Ooh, shit. So it is not looking good with anything. It really does look like we're headed into a recession right now, unfortunately. But I do believe price could fall off right here. You can see it actually rejected this ILC right here. All right, so we have the ILC up here, right? But let's drop it down to here. And yeah, it's about 70% golden zone. I might take a trade right here, just because like a retest right here would be nice. And we would really only need maybe a 50 pip stop loss and we could take it. So I would take either of these. Either of these trades would be good for me. So we'll see which one works. We'll see which one has a better outcome and go from there. You can see there's an R2S area right here. So there's a few areas of interest that I'd like to take this trade from. It's only a matter of time to see if it will though. So we'll check it out at that point. Let me use the restroom really quick. What's up, guys? I'm back. My bad. So you can see price is already pushing down, not really even giving a little bit of a retrace. Uh, Shit. Yeah, it's just moving right now. I don't know if I wouldn't take a buy right here. We've already had the golden zone rejection up here, and I would wait for at least a retracement up into this area. Small retracement here, or small entry here. If it does retrace up, enter. Or if it does come up to the zone again up here, or even up here, 50% area, I would take it. But it doesn't look like it might. You know, we already had terrible news for today. Um, so let's see. I mean, it looks like it could come up a little bit right here. Don't want to hop in yet. Let's see how it respects this zone though right here. This R2S, right? So let's see what it does. It's a little bit heavy, right? The way it's looking into that, but let's see if we could get what we want. A little bit of a rejection. Nothing yet. Haven't entered. I want to see how this 1 minute finishes right here. It's still rejecting. Oh, oh. Might fall off right here, but let's see if we could get another wick out. Haven't put nothing in yet. I like that. I put in a little sell right now. Might push up though. I probably got in a little early. I put in a small sell, nothing crazy. Just because I know the risk is pretty big, right? If we got to risk it all, or if we got to risk this area right here. So I put a small one in, 0.01. Might come up to our zone though. See. See how this one finishes. Okay, it looks like it might come up a little bit, but let's see. Just entered another one, so we'll see. Yeah, I really want to wait up there to put my bigger positions in, but it might fall off right here. Let's wait and see. I'm in at like 307, 305. So let's see. All right. Shit. We're up about 20 pips right now. I would move stops to break even just because this area is sensitive. You could see it push all the way back up. So I would definitely move stops to break even right here. If you want to secure profits, secure profits. You know, don't be shy to do that. So yeah, I'm securing profits right now. All right, it's moving. Delete that. Oh shit, look at that thing falling. Waited for a small retracement. If you want to secure profits, secure them. We're up about 50 pips, right? So you always want to secure profits at that 50 pip mark, in my opinion. Um, just to be safe rather than sorry. See if it can push a little bit more. And it's at a supply and demand area, right? So I'm gonna just secure that. Secured a 0.03 right now. And we got a 0.06 floating now. So let's see what we got. Hopefully it can stay below. You know, it's still pretty up there, right, in terms of where it's at. We move to break even. It could reach our break even and stop us out. It's very possible. Actually, somewhere like right here. Hopefully it doesn't make it up here. That would suck because we got I mean, a nice position for open, right? It would have been nice to get in up here, but that was about 5:30 when this news came out. Um, yeah, so we had the Philly Fed. Yeah, we had a whole bunch of news that wasn't in our favor, but you can see it's kind of moving up. And the reason I took profits right here again is you can see the support level. I guess liquidity. You know, there's a lot of rejections right here, so that's why I took my profits at that zone. Uh, I mean, let's see. Let's see what it does right now. See if it can stay below this level. It still reach us, unfortunately, the way the 1 minute looks. But let's see if it can just fall off right here. Mm-hmm. See if we could get a big engulfing candle right here on the 1 minute. If it can engulf here on the 1 minute and push, I'd say halfway through this wick and finish right there, I think we'd be in business. But there's a lot of time left, right? There's 38 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. But if we could finish bearish like this, I would like it. It's only a if though, right? Because we still got 13 seconds left. Price can make its move up here the last 10 seconds. But let's see if it finishes this way, like right here. I like it. Damn. Yeah. It's cool that it matched it, but let's see if it can go below. We need this to finish like right here. Let's see. Getting back to that level. Let's see if it can continue to push down. I realized I only secured about 42 pips on the last position. I was hoping to secure about 50. I secured about 42, which is okay, but you know, that's about 8 times 3. That's about $25. So that took me from 124 or 125, and it could have been 150, right? So let's see if it can continue to push down. I might secure another 200 right here. Damn, it got close. I was looking at 235-ish for take profit. Got real close to it, but it didn't hit, which I don't like. Supports right here, but and that's one of those things that you got to look out for as like a trader. I see a lot of traders who do trade like breakouts, who will trade, you know, as soon as price breaks below this low, right, they'll enter a position like a buy stop or a sell stop. So as soon as price hits this level, as soon as price hits this level, they'll put in a sell thinking it's going to continue down. But what happens, what I see happening a lot with NAS is you will see price break below this level, and I'm sure a lot of people put in their sells. And once they put that sell in, you see a big retrace. Now, hopefully, it could come back down a little bit more, but shit, it might just reject on us right now. Hopefully not. This big 1 minute candle right here is looking nice, and then the way this 5 minute finished was, it was decent. I would have preferred it to finish bearish down here. Now this kind of gives us a little, we'll see right now. See what it gives us. We'll see if it could come down. I mean, hopefully it does. Mm, I got TP at 235 right now for my second position. Hopefully it could come down and hit it. Uh, See if it could come down. You see how it's kind of this liquidity right here. I don't know all the terms for this shit, but you know, there's a support level right here that's being respected, and with that respect, it's coming. You know, it broke through, but it hasn't broke through. You know what I mean? So the one thing that I do like is that it's somewhat respecting the 20 EMA, but I'd like to see it fall off a little bit more. It's not falling off like I'd like to, so I might just take profits right here. Um, Damn, let me get it going up. Damn it! Wow. I went up from being up about $400 in profit to I'm up about 160, 150 in profit right now. This shit might fly up on us. Damn. I don't like that push at all. So hopefully we have a big, sort of a big rejection, but it still looks like it has a lot of momentum and pull to the upside. Mm, doesn't look so great. If you're happy with profits, take them. You know what I mean? If you're happy with profits, take them. 30 pips, 35 pips ain't nothing to sneeze at. So I'm hoping this thing falls off. 15-minute looks decent. We needed to finish, I would say down here though, on the 15-minute. Like we would need the body of this 15-minute candle. We got 2 minutes left, right? Minute and a half left. We would need it to finish at least right here. If we could have it finish right here, I think we're in business to continue down, which is good. We still have a minute and 24 left, but let's see if we can get it moving our way. You see, it's still early in the candle, but hopefully it finishes real bearish. And that's what I'm trying to get better at is these retracements and being you know, a little bit more patient. And I am. I have been able to wait a little bit longer in terms of holding my trades and just trying to see them through, you know. Damn, this shit ain't finishing the way I want it to. Like this isn't a good finish if it finishes bullish. We need it to finish down here. And again, we want this 15-minute to finish down here. Like, we don't need it to push up here. We need it to finish down here. So let's see if it can. I just want it to fall, but it's not necessarily falling. Damn. See what sucks is when it finishes right here, it's cool, but we're probably gonna see a retrace on this next 15-minute candle. Probably gonna see it come up. So let's see what's what. See, that's what I was worried about. We could actually see this count. Ah, fuck. It's exactly what I was worried about, is, you know, that retrace coming. Damn, should have just secured my profits. Well, that's what I'm talking about though, you know what I mean? Like that's the shit that hurts me. I was up about 400 again and I didn't pull. Now it has an opportunity to kind of use the 1 minute as support, the 1 minute EMA. So you see how it broke above? It was using it as resistance, 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 resistance. Then it broke above it, big engulfing candle above it. This one candle took out the last 15 minutes. So now, I mean, we needed to retrace like down here, but we'll see. We'll see if it does. Ah, fuck. Yeah, gotta take me out. Damn, I got stopped out. Wow, that's crazy. Hate when it does that shit. Thinking about entering another position right here, but it's just a lot of push to the upside. Fuck it. And again, that's why you want to secure profits. Like, that's the big thing, right? So I had a total of a point zero 0.09 in there, right? I pulled a point zero 0.03 at about 42 pips. That was able to secure me 125, 126. Now, it's not much, but I knew that at that 125 level, that in a year, you know, when I'm ready to make these point zero 0.09s and point 0.1s a point 0.9, you know, that 125 will be, you know, $1,200 to secure that I secured. And, you know, that's kind of where my head's at with all this. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. See if we get another rejection right here. Okay. See if price can come down. I entered another position. If it doesn't, I'm going to just call it a day. Like I said, I've been happy with profits for the day. I didn't know if I was going to trade, but I thought it was a clean position to enter. Now, if we could get this to just fall off right here, I think we'll be in business. But again, we have levels that could be respected, right? The 1 minute 20 EMA right here. Price broke above it, used it as support, had a whole bunch of resistance. Now we need, doesn't look so good. So we'll see if it falls off right now or stays to it, because that's really what's going to tell us what's what here. I like it. I like it. See if it can continue down. This is a big area now, right? Is it gonna go or not? You know, I that point zero 0.03 that I just put in. I think I'm gonna go ahead and secure. I just secured right now, just because I just wanted to get over that 200 mark. I secured $87, and I'll take it, right? So I have my big position in. I'm gonna move it to break even at 313. Let's see. I'm basically in at the same position, a little bit higher than I was before. I was in at 307 right here. So I guess I could show that I got stopped out right there. Now I might pull more at this level again just because we know it could retrace back up. Um, so I'm going to pull a little bit of profit right now. Hmm. Uh, well, I'm at 218 for the day, which I'm happy with. And I got a 0.07 in there. So right now we're sitting at about 390, 400-ish. Um, I don't know if I should just pull it because I don't have a lot of confidence in price pushing past this zone. It seems like it's getting stuck. Mm, man, as soon as I was gonna pull, motherfucker rejected back up. All right, I just pulled a 0.05 and I'm happy with that. I have a 0.02 runner, stops are at break even, and I'm gonna see if this could go to our level that we're looking to hit. That put me at 500 for the day, and let's see if price could go ahead and make its way down here. So these are uncharted, it's uncharted territory right here, right? So we'll see if price is gonna make its way down here. I think it should, and we'll see. Secured about 60 pips. That took me to 524 for the day. And this one I'm going to go ahead and let run until stop loss or take profit. The take profit I think is going to be, I'll take it to the 27%, about 169-ish. 222. It's about 6 pips off. So I'll put it at a 175. We'll see if it goes our way. Um, let's take profits. I'm happy. Is anybody on? I don't even know if anybody's on. Trav, what's up, bro? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate the comment. Take profits, you know what I mean? So you can see the retracement happening. I'm happy with my profits. I could have secured at $600 for the day, but I'm happy with this 500, and I think we could see this go down a little bit more. That'll take me to like 750 for the day. So we'll see if it goes our way. Man, I just noticed I didn't put up my shit from yesterday, but call this play live right here. 6:30 open. We're able to go ahead and hop in this bitch. We are up close to 80 pips right now, and this was a live trade call. Stop sleeping, y'all. You guys are missing out. Don't sleep on your boy. Up about 80 pips. And I pulled most of my position out just because of the support level. Didn't know how I was going to finish. Seemed like we kept getting some rejections. But I got a point zero 0.02 runner, and let's see what it does for us. Seems like it's making its way down. 80 pips. And I pulled most of my position out just because of the support level. Didn't know how I was going to finish. Seemed like we kept getting some rejections. But I got a point zero 0.02 runner. Sleep on your boy. Up about 80 pips right now, close to it. And this trade was called live, right? On New York Open. We were able to go ahead and plan it out, seeing what was what, able to enter. So yeah, let's get it, man. Yeah. Wait, appreciate you, Trav. Thank you. Let's go, man. Trav, so it just depends on like the trade. And once I see it going my way, so I'll add a position. And like this one, I would have preferred to wait to get up to here again, to this level up top. But I've seen this resistance to support level, and on the smaller time frames, I've seen that the 50 EMA was coming through here. So that's why we had seen it down here, right? We had seen it pushing down here, and I wanted to wait for it to retest this R2S level, the supply and demand area, along with the 5-minute 50 EMA. And I knew that this would be a good risk just because we have 4 confirmations to take this trade. So I entered a smaller position, knowing it could still come up here. And then once I seen another rejection at this level, I entered some more positions. Now, I closed partially right here, then price retraced and took us out of the trade, right? Well, took me out of the trade. So I then waited again for price to retest this zone again, where price did, and I entered a bigger position because I knew that there was a better chance that it would go my way, and price this low broke below this low. So that was another confirmation for me to jump into this trade. And at that point, it's just a matter of time, right? And yeah, so and one thing that I learned is, I'm not great like some of these other traders yet, where they hold their entire position all the way, to here. Um, just because as a scalper, I know it's not logical to do that. Um, it's not logical to do that, to hold the position as a scalper the entire way, because you just never know, right? On the bigger time frames, it could be something completely different. It could be, the trend could be different. Um, and really, as a scalper, we just got to know that, okay, let's get in and let's get out. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. So, um, yeah, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, I just focus on securing profits, and that's all that matters. So like today, I had a point zero 0.09 in there, 3.03s, my first entries, and then when price took it, I secured a point zero 0.03, and then price took us out. I was able to enter a point zero 0.03 and a point zero 0.07, and I secured profits on the way down, and that just helps me to secure my day. And I know I'm not there all the way. A lot of people should say you should focus on the pips, and my goal is 100 pips every time. So if I'm able to eat 100 pips, I'm happy with that. Even if it's just a point zero 0.02 that's hitting, I was able to secure pips at like 80 and 70 pips, so that always helps for me. And yeah, we just keep it pushing at that point. You cool, dude? Exactly. Got to get the profits when they're there. I've been greedy before, and especially when I was really struggling trading, I'd be up 500 bucks, and I'm like, I know this trade could go hit 1,000, and then it comes to hit 1,000, and it ain't doing shit but retracing. And I learned that just don't be greedy, because at the end of the day, these point zero 0.09s and point 0.1s, those are going to be 1.0s pretty soon. And these 500 days are going to be $5,000 days, $50,000 days, So that's just the way I see it. We're just securing profits, and we're just figuring out how to run our race. And this is the way I run my race. You know, I take partial profits on the way down. Like I said, I'm not like some of these guys who hold their trades to fruition and they don't even take partial profits, which, you know, I applaud them. That takes balls. And my balls ain't that big yet. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, this thing's moving though. It looks like, you know, a beautiful trade. Yeah, you know, and you got to build that confidence. So I would say don't push yourself too hard because, you know, when I started trading, I put 5K in the account and I was trading point twos, point two fives, point ones, point one fives, point threes. And that's big money, right? That's $30 a pip, $15 a pip, $20 a pip. Yeah, for sure it is a hack. But, you know, I would say start off just money management. You know what I mean? Money management's the key. Figure out how not to lose. And you'll see me like I mess up a lot where I won't even let price hit my stop loss. I'll just take it out. Like, you know what? It looks like it's gonna go up. Let me just take out a majority of my position or some of my position so I don't take the full loss. So like once I figured out how to do that and then read these confirmations, then you start to get a little bit more confident. But I've been doing this 2 years and it's like I'm only dealing with point ones, right? And at the beginning I was starting with point two fives and point threes. So I had to learn the hard way, blew a couple accounts, 5K here, 3K here. And I had to really start from the ground and just have 1,000 in my account and start at point zero ones, point zero twos, point zero threes. You okay, dude? Oh, you'll be okay. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. So, um, you know, I would just say that. Just focus on running your race. You know what I mean? And focus on, you know, if you could hop on here, I try to give as much game as possible. And, you know, hopefully you guys are able to take some from it. You know, I don't want people to just be on. I mean, it's cool if you are on here and you're just trading with me, but I also prefer you guys to like learn on here with me. You know, not just trade with me, but learn with me. So that's really the goal at the end of the day. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? I'm gonna have to take you to the doctors for that cough. So yeah, I would say that. You know what I mean? Just focus on learning. That's the biggest thing. It's showing up every day. Because even if you're not trading with me, as long as you're hopping on the charts every day and you know making your moves to be on here and to see what price does and to look at price action and all that shit. Once you're able to do that, then you'll really start learning some shit. You know what I mean? So that's what I would focus on for sure. Whoa, 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 whoa. It looks like we're on our way to TP. Hopefully it can hit it. If you're, like I said, if you're happy with profits, pull them bitches out. You know, I already have my TP set, so once it hits, and we'll be done for the day. Where'd my phone go? Where'd my phone go? Let's go, man. You see it here. Let's go, dog. TP's getting smacked, and we're out for the day. You know what I mean? Let's get it. All right, so TP got hit. I'm done for the day. You know, we secure the profits, get in and get out, and that's all that matters at the end of the day. You know what I mean? So, um, we've been having some good weeks, some blessed weeks, and you know, feeling real grateful. Thank you guys for hopping on. Thank you, Trav, for hopping on. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see if we can make some money tomorrow. I'm not gonna force any trades tomorrow. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. I'm happy with my profits for the week. This is actually one of my biggest weeks that I've ever had. So like consistent wise, I've had some big weeks with those point twos and point threes. But you know, when you don't know what you're doing, you make it fast and you lose it fast. But this is one of my biggest weeks in terms of just being consistent every day, getting some wins, building, and here we are now. So appreciate you guys for hopping on, and yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.